Alright, so you should be able to be getting a view here of the 70mi dash cam as I'm driving along, and hopefully you can hear this audio. The audio is pretty good with the 70mi in some of the videos that I've done. Let's open it up. Comes with this little piece of plastic that you stick to the windshield in order to mount the dash cam. Comes with a manual, of course. And here's the camera itself. Wow, look at that. That is pretty small, pretty tiny. So here's where you would put the SD card and the power. Looks like it takes micro USB. There's a little reset area here where you could put in a paper clip to reset it. So this is kind of like a GoPro-ish mount. But yeah, it's literally like almost a GoPro mount. Let's see what else is in here. Here's the charging cable. Ooh, a nice charging cable. It's a USB micro charging cable. Well, this must be this is the cigarette lighter adapter, the USB. So that's nice as well. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and install the 70mi dash cam in the car, and it comes with this piece of plastic which is like a electrostatic mounting thingy. So we'll take this adhesive off of the 70mi dash cam. Oh! That is not working. Well, I couldn't get the static little plastic sheet thing to work, so I'm gonna try Velcro instead. There's the 70mi dash cam installed, and you can route the wires up through here and around here and down through here, underneath here, to your USB connection or cigarette lighter. Alright, let's route the cables up here, and you can just tuck it up here into the headliner, or at least that's what I do. So instead of mounting the camera up here somewhere and facing out, you could mount it right here and face it inward so you can see who's in the car. I'm using a suction cup instead of the typical mount that comes with this. I kind of jerry-rigged a suction cup that I have. Oh, how I put that on there, but a screw that goes through. Download and install the 70mi app. You'll have to sign up with an account and then put in your email address and choose a password. Hit get security code, and it'll send a security code to your email. And then once you put in all that information, you hit submit, and that will create your account, and then you put in your account to log in. Alright, we're going to click add a device. This one is the 1S, and if you're unsure, you can look on the back and it'll have a model number. So we're going to have to turn on the Wi-Fi by clicking the button. Alright, the button went green.
Your mine's already on. Activate it using cell phone connection.
Okay, I've turned the Wi-Fi on. Now let me hit next. I'll click allow. Alright, next. Now I want to click with my Wi-Fi and connect to the Wi-Fi network that the dash cam is giving off. So once I have connected to the Wi-Fi network,
Click the power key to authorize.
then we're going to click this button. So we'll hit open dash cam. Let's okay, this is just a guide.
Format memory card.
Alright, we're going to format the SD card.
Formatting memory card. Formatting succeeded. Auto may start recording.
Alright, so the dash cam is on, and that's basically the view, pointed at nothing right now. Alright, let's go through some of these settings. Click on the three little dots at the top. I'll probably put sound recording on for right now. Voice control, just leave it on. Speaker volume, I'll probably turn down to medium. And then recording duration would be how long you want a clip to be before it starts recording the next clip. So I'll probably do 3 minutes.
I have stopped recording.
Of course, you can set the date, which would definitely be a good idea. Advanced settings, power on Wi-Fi setting, power on sound, image quality, excellent. I definitely want that. Collision sensitivity, probably just leave it on the default right now. Auto off after stop, 20 minutes. Ooh, that sounds like a long time. But I guess that's, wow, you can have this thing run for 50 minutes after you power the car off? Okay, not that that's a bad thing, I'm just surprised that it has such a long battery. WDR, I believe that's dynamic range. I would probably leave the WDR on because that's going to help with light and dark areas in your footage. The set Wi-Fi password, I guess I'm assuming that's to change from the default. Let's see, P/N, that's going to be select what video mode that you have. So I think NTSC is for like North America, and maybe PAL or PAL, that would be for Europe or other countries. I don't know. Let's go back to the main screen. So that was advanced settings, SD card state. So that's going to show my status. Okay. Oh, that's nice. It actually shows you like how much video space and photo space you have left. Format the card. Restore default settings. Language about. It's going to show you the firmware version, and that looks to be all of the settings. But I can hit the take photo button, and I guess I would have to allow it. Alright, now it took a photo. Go to albums, confirm,
I have stopped recording.
hit photo, and there's a photo. Alright. And you can download it or delete it. So supposedly it has some voice commands. Take picture.
Capture is completed.
Record video.
Start recording emergency video.
Stop recording. I guess it doesn't have a stop recording. That could be something they could put in there. That would make sense. Let's see. So pressing once turns the Wi-Fi on and off. Pressing this button. Press 3 times in a row formats the memory card. 1, 2, 3.
I have stopped recording. Formatting memory card.
Okay, now it's working.
Formatting succeeded.
Okay.
Xiaomi starts recording.
And 5 times in a row would reset factory settings. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I have stopped recording. Resetting factory settings. Factory settings are reset. Please restart the device.
So I guess I would power it on. So to turn it off, press and hold. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it beneficial. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.